Hey y'all, thanks for stopping in. Appreciate you taking time out of your busy schedule, stop in and see what it is I'm up to. It is Sunday, January 17th, 2021. We are in our 43rd week of dealing with this Chinese bat flu. Stay at home, avoid your friends, stock up on groceries, go crazy pandemic stuff. Right now in Jacksonville, Florida, it is 57 degrees Fahrenheit, 39% humidity, 14 degrees Celsius. So, EDC, everyday carry. Everybody's got one. Guys, whatever you put in your pocket, that's your everyday carry. If you change it up every day, then you change up your everyday carry every day. A lot of guys will carry a wallet, maybe a penknife and a comb, uh, set of keys, whatever. Women, you got your purse or whatever. And then there's, people that carry a lot of stuff. And I used to weigh my pockets down. I'd have a big old key ring and my wallet stuffed up and a knife in either pocket and my inhaler and drink mix and gum and yada 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 yada, and it just became easier to say, you know what, I need a bag. But that's easier said than done. I probably have 3 dozen bags now that I keep going through. There's three of them sitting right here, four of them sitting right here. That start out like really tiny. Actually, there's five of them sitting right here. There's ones that start out like this size, and then they go to this size, which is only a little bit bigger, not really that much, but uh, and then they go into an actual backpack size. This is an over-the-shoulder size, which I seldom actually carry over my shoulder because all I'm doing is I'm carrying it from the house to the truck, and that's basically it. Um, I very seldom ever actually take it inside the store or whatever. I will occasionally, especially if I don't have like pockets to slip my wallet into or whatever. So this is most of my bags have come from thrift stores or Amazon. This is an Eagle Creek travel gear. It's an older one. I don't think they make this version anymore. It's got this flap on the front. It has a secret pocket in the back, concealed type pocket. And then there's a zipper compartment here. Okay, bring that way. Bring that down a little bit. Come down a little more. Nope. Okay. Back a little bit. Maybe. All right. So we open this up like so, and there's a couple of compartments. This zippered mesh compartment on the flap itself opens up, and in here I have two coffee singles. This is how I make my coffee up all the time. I love this stuff. The coffee is very fresh, and it will make a very strong cup of coffee like that. And you can actually make 2 cups with one bag. I have a tea, lemon ginger. This is one that I enjoy. In fact, it's what I'm drinking at the moment. I drink this hot and cold. So I got a couple of those just in case. I have a gator because sometimes you have to have a mask regardless. I'm not crazy about that, but in an emergency. There are some hand wipes. Again, our times. There is a small flashlight. This one um, I have to take it apart and take the cardboard out in order for the light to work. So I don't want to kill the battery. So those stay in there like so. Come back around to this part. And let's see, we have little pouch pockets. I have a mini Bic and a hot sauce. I don't know which one this is. I can't read it at the moment. Spontaneous combustion. More than likely, that's not what's in there. It's probably my own blend. I'm not 100% sure. I like these little bottles, though. Actually, this might be just a spontaneous combustion because I just got some of these from one of y'all out there. Let's see, in here, this is a container that the old miss used to carry. She had Band-Aids in it. I have these lens wipes. They're the same as hand wipes. They're, isopropyl alcohol. So again, with today being what today is, or the times being what they are, these are an everyday essential. So these are actually just a backup. I do carry a couple in my pocket. So let's see, what do I have in here? These are just condiments. There's sugar. Up in here, I think there's 6 packages of sugar, 4 or 6 packs of sugar. And then down here, there's a couple packages of mustard and ketchup. Because you never know. When you're going to hit a fast food joint and they don't give you mustard and ketchup. It's happened. Let's see, where did I put this? Oh yeah, let's try to put this back here. Okay, in this pocket here, there are several items. I have a knife. Whoops. Just a gentleman folder off of Amazon. I like this one. I like the look of it. What I got going here that's in the can? There we go. Move that candle. Put that back. This is a cold steel hard plastic dagger. It's in a duct tape sheath. On this piece of Kevlar plastic that I put back here so that what's in there does not imprint. Sealed means concealed, right? So now the main compartment, let's see, it's getting to be that time of year again. This is a full face bug screen. Like if you're walking in the woods, it does mosquitoes, gnats, and everything else. So little no-see-ums. It's a pain in the neck to get out of there. I really need a different container. I have a flashlight. If you're showing off flashlights on YouTube, please don't shine them at the screen and then turn them on to strobe. There are people out there with epilepsy and other things that will, other problems that can react to flashing lights. They don't react well. My wallet is actually in there. In my wallet, I carry, there's a mini flashlight and a small razor knife. Inside in there somewhere, there's a little Fresnel lens. That should have gone out. That was a broken pair of glasses. A charging cord for my phones. Let's see. Hair ties. These come in handy for more than just hair. These are just, you know, they're kind of rubber bands, so they actually work for several different things. This is the cover for my heater. This little hand warmer. I've just started carrying this. It was like $14 or something on Amazon. I've always liked the hand warmers, but I didn't really like the chemical smell of them, you know, because they were usually used like Zippo fuel or whatever. This works off of a battery. It can be used to recharge your phones. It's 52,000 milliamp hours, I think, something like that. I'll put a link in the description box. So it's kind of, it's a hand warmer and it's a backup source for, you know, powering my phone, or even like a mini USB fan or something like that. It'll probably run a little USB fan for several hours, and it'll heat up. It gets hot. It stays hot for quite a long time. Let's see what else I got in here. Extra batteries for pen lights, and I have the little clip poke lights or push lights in both the van and the brat buggy. Oh, excuse me. A mini Sharpie. Comes in handy for all kinds of stuff. Cigarette plug adapter. What's that? Another battery, feels like. Yep, another little battery. And let's see. Isn't there a pocket in this one? No, it must be the other bag. You get bags confused sometimes. Like I said, I just started carrying this one again. Alright. This is my primary carry battery pack, battery bank, charger thing. I believe this is 19,000 milliamp hours or 20,000 milliamp hours. Again, I'll leave the link in the description box. It's off of Amazon. These are amazing. I got these mainly to carry in the van to power my little USB fans at night. But they work amazingly. They'll charge my phone up like almost 3 times. They run all night with the USB fan, and they're a little bit smaller. This is a 20,000 milliamp hour. This is also another one that I carry occasionally. I've got another one like this in the brat buggy. It just stays in there. But yeah, so I'll put the links for this one. It's also off of Amazon. They're not expensive. They're like 20 some odd dollars. I think I got 2 of these for $23 or something like that. I like carrying these. I mean, I carry them all the time, but I like having them just because, you know, we're prone to storms, hurricanes, and, even just electrical storms that knock out the power. And you never know how long the power is going to be out. So it's nice to be able to, have some of these around to, like I said, run a small fan or two, or have lights, and of course I can take them out and start one of the vehicles up and recharge them, or recharge them off the solar power that charges my my main house battery for the van. So they're nice and portable. If I go and sit at a picnic table, let's say, and it's a little warm out, well, grab one of the USB fans that are around the I got them in the van and in the brat buggy. I've even got them in the house because they don't pull very much current or voltage or whatever. So you can leave them running all the time, and they only burn like a couple pennies worth of energy a month. But yeah, so with one of these, I can take one of those fans with me and set it up if I'm sitting at the beach, or sitting at, like I said, at a picnic table in a park or whatever, and just have a little USB fan blowing on me, and it's really nice. So anyway, I guess that's about it. So I don't need that one in there. I already have one in there. I'm talking and so that's it. Let me know what you think, folks. Give me a thumbs down or thumbs up. Leave me a comment wherever it is y'all leave comments on your internet access device of choice. If you'd like to share me around your social media, that'd be fandoculous. If you want to share me around on social media, what did I just say? I just totally lost my train of thought. If you want to check me out on Facebook or Instagram, I'll have links in the description box, wherever that is on your device of choice. I also have links to similar videos. You'll find my email, my PayPal, in case you want to buy me a Coke or a slice of pizza. You'll also find my regular mail, in case you want to send me a postcard or a box of rocks or some turkey feathers or whatever. So if your loved ones are nearby, give them a kiss and a hug. If they're not, give them a call. Hit them up on Facebook. Let them know you think about them. Let them know you love them. We ain't promised tomorrow, people. We ain't promised our next breath. So I see you all again. I hope you have a fandoculous day. Sláinte, y'all.